Yamaha YZF R1. It's equipped with an aggressive new M1 derived cowl. It has more aerodynamic bodywork that delivers ultimate performance. It's also got next generation LED headlights. Each of the 7 adjustable electronic rider aids can be fine-tuned in seconds via the YRC system. The R1 has raised the bar to a new level. With Yamaha winning its first race 10 days after it's founded, there is a burning desire to continue racing, and the R1 has that performance. This crazy super sport bike can hit a max of 176 miles per hour and has a max power of 197 brake horsepower. BMW S1000RR. The BMW bike was first created to compete in the 2009 Superbike World Championship. It was introduced in April 2008 and it's powered by a 999cc 4-cylinder engine. When the bike was released in 2009, it was considered the best equipped sport bike in the 1000cc category. Refined in 2012 and updated in 2015, it's now a multiple TT winner. The BMW bike is a major departure from the previous model, with only the name remaining the same. This bike can hit a top speed of 190 miles per hour and has a max power of 193 brake horsepower. Mad Max Turbine Motorcycle. This is the fastest turbine motorcycle ever made. It's powered by a Rolls-Royce helicopter engine. This is completely road legal. In 2015, Zef Eisenberg reached a top speed of 233 miles per hour, but now due to a specially designed racing fairing, it hit a new record of 234 miles per hour. The Mad Max has the C-20B helicopter engine in it, and this helicopter puts out 542 brake horsepower. Honda CBR 1000 RR Fireblade SP. This bike is made for racing and speed. They say it's the same pit lane as the Honda CBR 1000 RR, but with one main difference: a second generation smart electronic controlled suspension and an upgraded user interface. This bike is fully road legal, but it belongs in the track. They said it's our ultimate statement of pure supersports aggression. It's got multiple ABS modes, which are sports mode and track mode. It's also got launch control for quick starts. This bike can hit a top speed of 186 miles per hour and has a max power of 215 brake horsepower. Ducati Panigale V4R. This bike embodies the maximum expression of Ducati values: style, sophistication and performance. This bike is a forward-looking model that accompanies the rider towards a dimension of advanced riding. With the racing kit put on, it can hit an absolute max of 234 brake horsepower, and without the racing kit it can hit 221 brake horsepower. With all of this, it's approved for the road. This bike has a dry clutch which guarantees important benefits in ease of handling. With all this power, it can hit a max speed of 211 miles per hour. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This bike is said to be the pinnacle of motorcycle performance. The Ninja H2R is supercharged. This was created with cooperation from across the engineering and technology scope of Kawasaki Heavy Industries. The Ninja H2R matches cutting-edge engine performance with the highest quality chassis dynamics and a host of craftsmanship details to create a new two-wheeled icon. This amazing bike has a max speed of 240 miles per hour. Lightning LS218. This turns the sport bike world upside down with electricity. Lightning Motorcycle has designed and produced a sport bike sure to change the minds of anyone doubting electric motorcycle performance. The LS218 is the fastest production motorcycle, hitting a max speed of 218 miles per hour. Lightning Motorcycles manufactures the highest performing and most advanced electric motorcycle in the world. Lightning is dedicated to developing exciting new products that will attract new motorcycle riders. This bike has a max power of 200 brake horsepower.